Hi, I'm Patrick Long from Greenville, South Carolina. Work at the Green Room off of Main Street. And today I'll be showing you how to cook raw butter beans. Butter beans are quite seasonal and they're found locally around South Carolina pretty much throughout all of summer, unless they get shucked and then they're kind of disgusting. But what you want to do first off is rinse them and kind of rinse them through water, strain them off, and then you're going to put them into a pot of just straight up poaching water or blanching water, and I'll throw these in here now. And then you're going to bring these up to a boil straight up on the stove, and then right when it boils, strain it off. Now when it boils, there's going to be this big frothy nonsense mess of butterbean schmutz, and that's pretty much what you're trying to get out. That's all the impurities coming out of the butter beans. And once you drain that off and then give it a nice rinse again, then you will have cooked butter beans. And if you were to drop these in straight boiling water, they wouldn't cook evenly. So you really want to bring them up in cold water. After I boiled my butter beans with all that froth coming up, I strained them, I rinsed them, and now I've got them here. And now I'm going to show you how to make a butterbean side dish. They're not fully cooked through yet. They're pretty much al dente, a little bit less than al dente. Still have a good amount of bite in them, so they'll still need to cook in some form of liquid for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you how to make a succotash out of these. So right here in front of me, I've got 4 ingredients. I've got some nice bacon that I've julienned up, a little bit of brunoise onion, a little bit of small diced red pepper, and some fresh corn straight off the cob. All right, so first things first, I got a nice medium bottom stock pot right here that I've gotten hot. I'm gonna put in a little bit of oil, just a little bit, get it nice and coated. Now I'm gonna take my bacon, which I'm gonna throw it in there. Now I'm gonna render out this bacon fat until it's pretty much crispy and all the fat's out and bacon's nice and golden brown. I've rendered out my bacon fat, I've added my onions and peppers. Now I'm gonna add in my corn. Season this up, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then mix it around. Now I'm gonna let the corn kind of get coated in all the rest of the bacon fat. And now I'm gonna add in some vegetable stock. Got about 2 cups of vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock or any kind of flavored water. Or hell, you could even use water if you wanted to. So once this comes up to, I'm gonna let this hang out for a minute and I'm gonna bring this up to a boil. And once it comes up to a boil, then I'm gonna add my par-cooked butter beans. All right, now I've got my boiling liquid. Now I'm gonna add in my blanched butter beans. And because they're already cooked, it's probably going to take about 5 more minutes while this guy's going. I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and just kind of mix everything together. I've got my butter beans cooked off for the 5 minutes, and now they're nice and finished. I'm just going to, this is a nice side dish that I'm just going to go ahead and put in a bowl for you to enjoy. And I hope you enjoyed that recipe on how to cook butter beans.